Another day, another place to explore. Nata karon sa City de Marie Bridgeway. This is skywalk connecting CDM and Il Corso. So from here, lakaw lang ta, lakaw, hangtod sa maabot ta ana nga signage. So what does it says? CDM access to pedestrian Bridgeway. So kita ka na nga hagdanan, lakaw ka diha, and just follow the arrow guys. Di agad mo masaag until you reach this store. Chadang! This way to CDM. And another stairs na po. Of course, skywalk. So, saka jud ka sa babaw. I really find this very helpful because it helps us atong safety, labi na if mulabang ta sa dalan. So yeah, anyway, saka lang jud ta guys, saka. And maabot ra gyud mo diha sa door, which is, yeah, magawas na ka padung sa skywalk. Cheng! Voila! Diba? Nice kayo. So that's the skywalk guys. And lakaw gamay, lakaw. And another chadeng! Maxi girl. By the way, this is my friend Jeanette. O, diba? Actually, gikan pa mi nag-clean up drive guys. Nang-limpyo mi dito sa El Corso. This is my friend also. This is Jules. Diba? Nice kaayo ang view guys here. Medyo kalaayon. So that's the CDM guys, and that's the skywalk nga among giagian. I think that's pretty much of it man siguro. And I hope this video can help you kung asa mo moagi if ever mo anhi mo sa CDM or El Corso. So have a great day guys. Kita-kits!